everyone, my name is Celine, Wellness Babe here on YouTube. I make videos on butterfly gardening, nature adventures, and healthy recipes. Today we're making a gluten-free pumpkin pie. Cut your pumpkin in half, scoop the seeds out, and cut the pumpkin so it'll fit in a casserole dish. Bake at 350 for an hour. Once the pumpkin has cooled, pull the edges of the pumpkin peel back and the flesh should just pop off. I found it really easy to just then remove with my fingers, but you could also use a spoon if you'd like. Blend your pumpkin in the blender. To make the homemade pumpkin spice, grate fresh ginger in a bowl, add cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and cardamom. Set aside. Melt 3 tablespoons of butter over low heat and let cool. In a large mixing bowl, combine the pumpkin puree, cream, butter, and eggs. Mix well. Add coconut sugar, salt, gluten-free flour, and pumpkin spice. Mix well. Pour your mixture into a gluten-free pie crust. Bake at 425 degrees for 15 minutes, then at 350 degrees for an additional 30 minutes. Please note that coconut sugar will darken the color of your pie. Now to taste the pumpkin pie.
Wow, that's really good.
Yeah, it is good.
It doesn't even need whipped cream.
No. It's sweet enough.
That's really
It definitely tastes like fresh pumpkin.
Yeah.
You can taste the fresh pumpkin.
I taste the ginger and cinnamon too. That's really flavorful.
Yeah, it is really flavorful. Oh my god, I just got a chunk of ginger.
Really?
This is good.